Hello everyone, welcome to Know Your English Grammar. Today's short lesson is on the difference between hair, 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 and hair. It's very common for English language learners to get confused when they have to use these words since they sound exactly the same, but they are spelt differently. In English language, these words are called homophones. Let's learn the difference between them. Hare, spelled H-A-I-R, is a noun. It names a tangible thing, specifically the strands growing from the body. Let's look at some examples. She has long, shiny black hair. My cat's white hair gets all over my couch. The barber cut my hair shorter than I wanted. Now let's look at hair, spelled H-E-A-R. Hair is a verb. It describes the action of perceiving sound with the ear. Here are some examples. Please be quiet so that I can hear the teacher's instructions. I can't hear you clearly over the loud music. Did you hear the birds singing this morning? Now for hare, spelled H-A-R-E. Hare is a noun. It is a specific animal that resembles a rabbit, but it is larger and faster. For example, the hare's long ears twitch at every sound. We spotted a hare in the woods during our hike. The hare quickly darted across the field. And our last homophone is hare, spelled H-E-R-E. Hare is an adverb. It indicates a place or location in relation to the speaker or listener. Here are some examples. Disabled drivers should park here. Please sit here and wait for the doctor. Your books are here on the table where you left them. Now, let's look at some examples using all four homophones in one sentence. Do you hear that noise coming from over here? It sounds like a hare brushing against the leaves and leaving behind clumps of brown hair. And here's another one. I could hear the wind blowing through the hare's long ears as it stopped here to sniff at a patch of grass and shake out some loose hair. Now for practice, write me one sentence using all four homophones, or you may write individual sentences using each homophone to show me that you clearly understand the differences. Share your sentences in the comments section below. I hope you enjoyed this short lesson on these four homophones. Please subscribe to Know Your English Grammar for more insightful English grammar lessons. See you next time. Goodbye.